Okay, this video is on PLC programming. This is the first program which we are going to discuss here, and this is for the AND gate. So for PLC programming we are going to use one free software which is codesys version 2.3. So let us open the software now. Now to create a new program, you first click on File. After clicking the file, this is showing an old program, so let us close this. So to create a new program, you need to click on the file and click on new. Okay, so this window will come. This is target setting configuration. You could select any of them. Okay, so let us select the first one. Do not change anything here and simply click OK. Okay, do not change anything here also. LD is selected, which is ladder diagram. Okay, so this is your programming window where we are actually going to create our program or write our program. Now to add any element to the program, just click on the line which is shown here. This is called rung. So suppose I want to add a NO element or the start element. So I have just clicked at the line on the rung and selected the element. Now to select an output, again the same procedure is followed. Clicking on the rung or the line and clicking on the element. Now what is this question mark? We will discuss on this in detail, but for the time being, let us put some name over here. So just click and type a name. Let us type it as SW1, which is switch 1, and press the enter button. When you press the enter, this screen will come. Do not change anything, just click OK. Again on this question mark, double click this and just write a suitable name. So I have written over I am writing lamp as my output, and just press enter and click OK. Okay, so this is a very basic program where there is a switch as an input and there is a lamp as an output. So what is expected? When we press the switch on, the lamps must glow, and when we press the switch off, the lamp must switch off. This is what we are expecting from this program. Okay, now as you are finished with the programming, just save this program. So click on the save and just provide a file name, anything, any name. You may write it as your first PLC program or first PLC, whatever name you may choose here. So I am writing here first PLC and just click on the save button. Okay, now the program is saved. Now how to check this program? We would like to actually check, or we would like to execute the program just to check that whether the program is okay or not. So just click on the save icon again. Okay, click on the save icon. Okay, now let's see what happens. It is showing here that SW1 is BOOL, means Boolean. Boolean is the data type for switch 1. Lamp is also Boolean. The data type is Boolean, means it would either be on or off, 0 or 1. Okay, this is the meaning. Okay, fine. Let us now go to project. So after saving your program, you need to go to project and click on build. Again go to the when you press this build, as you can see in the bottom that there it is showing 0 errors, 0 warning, means the program has 0 errors and 0 warning, right? Now again go to project and press rebuild, build and rebuild. Okay, it is clearly showing at the bottom that there is 0 errors and 0 warnings, means whatever program you have written over here is not giving you any warning or any alarm. It means the program is okay. Now to check whether now to check this program online, we would like to check this program online. Okay, so how to do this? Just click this online and click this login. You need to log in here. Okay, so click online, click login. Before that, you have this simulation mode, as we are using the simulator here, which is inbuilt in the software itself. So first click this online and click the simulation mode, and now save the program. Again I am showing this in a slow manner so that you could easily capture each and every step. So again what is done, it is rebuild again. Okay, now click online and login. Okay, so as you can see at the right bottom corner that it is showing online now, but the running is not highlighted. It is not showing. It is showing online, but the PLC is not running. Your program is not running. Okay, so how to run this? Just click this run. Okay, so when you click this run, as you can see in the bottom that now it is showing online as well as showing running. So it is showing online as well as showing running. So the PLC is online and the program is running. So in this case you could easily now check that whether the program is working or not. So to switch on this switch SW1, just double click on SW1. As you can see, it is the color has changed, but the lamp is not on. Why? This we will understand in the next video. Just you click this force value. So when you force the value, it is showing that as the switch was on, the lamp has on now. So lamp is on now. Okay, why we need to force this value from the program? This we will discuss in the maybe in the next video. So just check the logic, just check your ladder logic. Now if you again press this force value and just click on the switch and again press the force value, the lamp will switch off. So to switch on and off the lamp, you need to switch on and off the SW1 switch, and this we are doing by forcing the value 1010. We are forcing stop and we are forcing the start. Okay, so we are forcing SW1 once 0 and once 1, means once start and once stop. So when the SW1 is off, it is the lamp is not on, and when SW1 is on, the lamp is also on. So the logic is working and the program is behaving correctly. Now to modify this program, you first need to stop the PLC. to modify any of your program, PLC program, you need to stop the PLC. So as we have stopped the PLC, the running is not showing now, and after stopping you need to log out. Okay, when you log out, now any modification is possible in your ladder logic or in your program. So here, as we are making the program for the AND gate, so just add one more element here, and let us provide a name as SW2. So let us type SW2, press enter and click OK. Type SW2, press enter, click OK. Now we have two switches in series with this lamp. So the logic for the AND gate is, we are very much familiar with the AND gate, that to switch on the lamp, both the switch must be on. Any of the switches if off, the lamp will not glow, and both the switches are off, the lamp will not glow. At this condition, both switches are 0, 0, so the output is also 0, the lamp is also not on. Now let us again follow the same procedure. Let us go online again. So to go online, you need to log in. Okay, it is showing online at the bottom. You can easily see at the bottom it is showing online. Now again you need to run. So let us run the PLC. So it is running now. Now it is very easy for us to check our inputs and output, how it is behaving, how the output is behaving when we are playing with the inputs. So let us switch on SW1, the first switch. So again, to switch on here, we need to use this, we need to use this force value. You could simply double click on the switch and you could press F7 also, so it will directly switch it on and off. Just double click on the switch and press F7. This is also possible, but I am showing you each and every time by going through this online and then forcing the value. Okay, but you could also do that, you just double click on that switch and press F7, that will also work. Okay, so as you can see here, that when both the switches are on, the lamp is on now. So the logic is working. Now let us switch off these switches one by one, just to verify that whether this is working exactly how it is supposed to behave if it is an AND gate. Okay, so if it is an AND gate logic, it must behave as like that when one switch is off, the lamp will on. See, when we have, the moment we switched off SW2, the second switch, the lamp, immediately the output is off. Now in this case, if we are going to switch off this first switch, the state of output is not going to change, the output will remain off. So let us off this first switch also by using this force value. You simply double click this and press F7. If you don't want to follow this process of going to online and forcing the value, simply double click and press F7. Okay, now in this condition, both the switches are off and the output is off. So it is, as we can easily see, that our program, the program which we have written here, the ladder logic program, is perfectly behaving, and it is for the AND gate. And so this is how the AND gate program is written in the ladder logic. Okay, this is very basic and very simple ladder logic program. Okay, so here I have switched on the second switch, but still the lamp is not on. So now again I am switching on the first switch also, and the moment the first and second switch both are on, the output should on. Okay, so let us check this again. Okay, force this value, go to one line and press the force value. Now see, the moment both the switches are on, the lamp is on. Any input is if missing, the output is missing. Both the input is present, output is present. This is what we expect from a AND gate. Okay, save your program and just simply close this. So this is by using a free software provided by ABB, which is codesys. This software is very much suitable to learn PLC programming. Now here is the truth table, SW1, SW2 and lamp 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. Okay, thanks for watching.